capped it.
That's fine. No, see.
I don't know, leave it on, I think.
This one's full though.
Yeah, I
But
mean,
they're not capped. Oh, it's capped some of it.
yeah.
I'll pull that other one out. I think that'll be capped.
Yeah, I mean, this one is capped.
Yeah.
Yeah, really. I might just stick
Lift
it
it out. Oh yeah, not quite capped.
Yeah.
Only what, another few days, don't it?
See, enough has come out, you could extract it. That side's pretty good.
Most to leave it till it's full, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, no, I've got enough honey to be going on with it.
Yeah, so yeah.
Right.
So you just have to put that back on.
Yeah, let's put it back on. It's fine. Yeah, I mean, they're fairly busy, aren't they? So they're definitely still on a flow, I reckon. Loads of drones, isn't they?
Yeah,
Yeah, well,
it's ridiculous, isn't it?
yeah.
How long does a drone live for?
A little. Oh, so I had drones because I thought I had a drone layer in the winter time because I see a load of drones. I mean, too many. And they do take some for the winter. Most hives don't, but some do. And this one I see quite a few. This was in January. I thought, oh gosh, yes, that looks like a drone layer to me, but it wasn't at all. So that's another thing that I've never read.
Yeah.
There was loads of drones, and I was actually convinced that was a drone layer.
Well, I suppose if you get an early drone, you can swarm early, can't you?
Yeah, and that's what, yeah, when you start seeing the drones. Well, there's eggs in there. Good. There's
So
a
it
queen.
just shows you overwintered nukes are producing plenty of honey straight in the spring.
Yeah.
If looked after properly.
Yeah. I mean, look how calm they are on the frame.
Yeah, brilliant. Right?
Slow as anything, aren't they? Nice and calm.
I think yesterday we were doing some wild bees, weren't we?
Yeah, I think they were some of the swarms that we
Yeah.
caught from
Red
last year.
Norfolk bees, quite violent.
There she is.
Oh yeah, there's the other queen from the poly nukes.
Nice and plump.
Are they all buckfast
Yeah.
bees then, were they? Yeah.
Yeah.
Which, like you say, they produce quick, they're calm, and
They do, but they also can swarm quicker sometimes. But you know, it's a gamble, isn't it? Keep on top of them. Which you know what? I was looking at the Wales bee farmer last night at Forum, and he's now started following me, which is nice. I mean, he does a lot of YouTubes and that. And he was saying what a swarm, he was stressing out about all the swarming. So I spoke to other beekeepers and bee farmers, they're the same about all the swarms and that this year, how early it's been. He's been stressing out about it all.
There's a cup on the bottom, a clay cup.
They've got no intention to swarming this one as well.
Well, it's like everything, isn't it? I mean, they don't seem to swarm on the first year anyway, do they?
Generally not. I mean, this is last year's queen, but she's a new queen.
Yeah.
You know, they had room. I put them in the bigger box. They had to build that out. You know, it took a lot more time for them. But
Well,
yeah.
from our experience, that's always been second year or third year, isn't it? Which is maybe something they do in the wild. Because you think wherever they are, You need a fairly big sort of spot to keep on producing for 2 or 3 years, don't you?
Oh, it's nice and healthy.
Oh, there's a few play cups on the bottom of that. Any more? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, there's some. Hopefully, you know, normally I would probably stop and just close them back up because I'm not going to find that they're not showing any signs of swarm at all. There's not even an egg in a play cup, so.
So you're not got to pull the play cups. You're not got to pull them off.
There's nothing there. Drone brood. Look. What's drone brood?
They seem to make a lot of drones. It seems pretty stupid, really. That.
Well, that's their reproduction, isn't it?
Oh,
They need as much drones as they can for the new queens to keep coming out, and they ain't going to struggle to find a drone to mate with.
Yeah, I suppose drones are a bit sort of what do you call it? A bit like cannon fodder, aren't they?
Yeah, like all men. Look at that, perfect, isn't it?
Oh, there's a couple on the bottom there.
See, that's a newer one. So that's
Yeah, there's one next to it. Oh, there's a few there, look.
nothing in that one though. Nothing in that one. Nothing in that one. Right, that's it. I'll close them up.
Yeah, we've seen the queen.
Oh, that's just I haven't checked them for a while. They're showing absolutely no signs of swarm, which is happy days. So I ain't got to worry about that for a while. To be honest, they've got enough space.
Well, it is the same old thing, isn't it, really? You're not done no different to this one as what you've done to another one, and that'll swarm.
So you can see, you can see how difficult that is.
There's the videos to prove it, don't they?
Yeah, I'm trying, you know, that is such a one hive is determined to swarm really early, and given space, I've knocked down the queen cells, and yet they're still swarmed, haven't they?
Yeah, yeah.
Or I've missed the queen cell,
Yeah.
which
is possible.
It's possible, but I wouldn't be doing that every time.
No.
It's not the law of averages. So they're either creating a swarm cell later with an older egg, older larvae.
Yeah.
So within 7 days, they're already created it. And my inspections, as all the books will say, every 7 days. Well, they've just got in front of me and swarmed, and that's, you know, I ain't done too bad with swarms really. I'm quite pleased. I mean, at the time I don't feel that way.
Well, there's only been one swarm out of this one, isn't there? We caught it anyway.
Yeah, you know, I do stress it about it. You know, I think, there's swarms, but you know, when I sort of step back and take a look and think about it, I think that actually they've been putting honey on the hives, haven't they?
Oh yeah.
You know, we've got some decent sized colonies and that. So yeah, it's easy to get doom and gloom about it. Sometimes, you know, I sort of think, well, perhaps I should have done this, should have done that, but
it's a natural thing at the end of the day.
yeah. And I said, and I caught a lot of swarms, so swarms is long, I guess.
Yeah, if we lose one, we could catch two, don't we?
Wish I have. I mean, I caught a hell of a lot, really. So I shouldn't be really stressed out about things sometimes. See, if you look at the old blackberries, they're started budding up.
That's true, isn't it?
So summer flow is round the corner. That one I put a queen cell in from that hive, so I won't be looking in there.